India celebrates its Independence Day on 15th August every year. Independence Day reminds us of all the sacrifices that were made by our freedom fighters to make India free from British rule. On 15th August 1947, India was declared independent from British colonialism and became the largest democracy in the world. 15th August is celebrated as a national festival with flag hosting, parades, and cultural events. Schools, colleges, offices, society complexes, government and private organizations conduct functions and celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the flag at the Red Fort and addresses the nation by a speech. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, performed the first flag hosting ceremony on 15th August 1947. Our freedom fighters struggled for India's independence. Famous leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey, Dadabhai Nauroji fought fearlessly against the Britishers. Many of them also sacrificed their lives to make India free from British rule. Their contribution and effort are remembered in India's independence history. India achieved independence after years of struggle. India got complete freedom from the British and secured full autonomy on 15th August 1947. That's why the day holds great significance in the heart of every Indian citizen living in India or abroad. India completed 74 years of freedom on 15th August 2021. This day also reminds us of the struggles of freedom fighters and lives sacrificed by them in achieving independence. The pain that our heroes have gone through reminds us that the freedom we enjoy today has been earned by shedding the blood of lakhs of people. Independence Day generates a feeling of patriotism among people. It unites the people and makes them feel that we are one nation with so many different languages, religions, and cultural values. Unity in diversity is the main essence and strength of India. We feel proud to be part of the largest democratic country in the world, where the power is in the hands of the common man. Thanks for watching this video.